Hi, welcome back to my channel Skill Set Go, and welcome back to Java tutorial. So in this video we will just go through advantages of Java very quickly. So I have noted down 4 points. So first, Java is very easy to learn. It is very easy to learn, very easy to compile and run the project. So everyone can learn Java very easily. And Java is object oriented programming, means everything in Java project is taken or considered as a real-time object. And the next is Java is platform independent. So if you compile a Java project in one machine, then it can be run on any other machine which is having a Java virtual machine, because while compiling, Java generates a bytecode, and that bytecode can be run by any JVM in any other machine. That's why Java is a platform independent project, a program, unlike C and C++. And multi-threaded, we can create a multi-threaded project with using Java very easily, and everyone can learn multi-threading very easily from Java. So this is the quick advantages of Java. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and follow up for more tutorials.